Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all on online classes of Jamna Christian Junior High School. Students, I am your general knowledge teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Starting from the first chapter, this is my India. Students, I will tell you some amazing facts of India. We should feel proud. Some amazing facts are written in your book and some amazing facts I will tell you. So students, if you want to write, you can write down in your copy. First fact is, the Indian culture and traditions are ancient dating back several thousands of years. Until today, the civilization lives on, which make it one of the oldest continuous civilization in the world. Second fact is, India is a land of invention. Some of the most notable inventions are the zero, buttons, cotton cultivation, chess, shampoo, Ayurvedic medicine, yoga, ruler, radio wireless communication, binary code, fiber optics, snakes and ladder, chess, etc. are some land of invention of India. Students, you all know about yoga. Yoga is good for our health. Yoga has been practiced for more than 5,000 years, and in the recent decades, the global interest in this form of healing and activity has massively increased around the world. Now, next is fourth fact is, there are at least 454 actively spoken languages. How many languages? 454 actively spoken languages and 22 official languages in India. Now, the fifth point is, India is home to the second largest English speaking population in the world. Sixth fact is, more than 70% spices of the world comes from India. How percent? How many percent? 70% of spices. Now, the seventh fact is, Indian households hold 11% of the world's total gold. Eighth fact is, India has more people using internet. You all know about internet than the entire population of US. Now, the ninth fact is, which I will tell you is, India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. That is the floating post office. This post office is called floating post office. Where it is situated? It is situated in Dal Lake of Srinagar. In Srinagar, was inaugurated in August 2011. Now, 10th fact is, the 2000 Kumbh in Prayagraj was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. 11th fact is, shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India, not the commercial liquid ones, but the method by use of herbs. The word Shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word chimpu, which means massage. What does the chimpu words means? Massage. Now the 12th fact is water on the moon was discovered by India in September 2009. India's ISRO Chandrayaan 1, using its moon mineralogy mapper, detected water on the moon for the first time. 13th fact is the first country to consume sugar, India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar. Many visitors from abroad learned the refining of cultivation of sugar from India. Now, the 14th fact is Rabindranath Tagore also worked the national anthem for Bangladesh. Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the national anthem for Bangladesh. Rabindranath Tagore is credited not only for writing the Indian national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, you all know about Jan Gan Man, but the Bangladeshi national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla as well. He was also offered knighthood by the British, but he refused the honor after the Indian Jallianwala Bagh Khan. So, students, Rabindranath Tagore not only written Indian Jana Gana Man, but he is written Bangladeshi Amar Sonar Bangla. And the next fact is 5,000 years old Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited place in the world, situated on the bank of river Ganga and represented in the parliament by the country PM Narendra Modi. The holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3,000 years old. Now the 16th fact is the only country with a bill rights for cows. From the moment an Indian's born, he has two mothers. One his birth mother and the second is Gau Mata. Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism, and the constitution has a set of rules in place that prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. Now, is this a fantastic fact about India? That is Shani Shingnapur is village where houses don't have door. Isn't it very attractive, students? Attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300 years old legend. This village is in Maharashtra. Features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. Have you listened, students, that in that place people used to sleep very soundly? Why? because they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. Now, the 18th fact is the highest cricket ground in the world. India is a cricket loving nation. It's only natural for it to also feature the highest cricket ground in the world, recorded by the Guinness Book. It is situated at a level of 2144 meters above sea level in Chile, Himachal Pradesh. Now, the 19th fact is the Indian national Kabaddi team has won all World Cups. India has won all 5 men's Kabaddi World Cups held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The Indian women team also won all Kabaddi World Cups held till date. This isn't it very amazing that the Indian national Kabaddi wins all Indian Cups of the world. Now, the 20th fact is Science Day in Switzerland. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President. Who is the ex-Indian President? APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, the father of Indian Missile Program, has visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrivals, Switzerland declared May 26 as Science Day. So students, have you all listened or have you written in your copy also the amazing facts which I told you? Isn't it very attractive that so many facts are amazing facts are there in India? Thank you students. Stay safe at home. We will meet again. Have a nice day.